You're doing great, big guy.
Something weird to me is that ever since I had my surgery, instead of resting like you've had me doing, I've actually been doing chores.
Why? Maybe you just feel so good because you have that thing out.
Maybe.
Well, I feel good.
But something weird is that ever since the pain
Look how nice
went
that house
away
looks.
from when they cut open the roof of my mouth, I've actually had no pain.
Really?
Yeah.
That is really weird. Because mouth injuries hurt.
Yeah.
But you're a tough little, bug. So
Yeah, the
they were
only
just sitting
person-
there. That was really weird.
What were you saying?
But what we could do is do like a card, or I could be really funny and do like boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes, like 10 big boxes, and you'd have to open all of them to get the password. You don't think that's funny, huh? No? Okay.
No, go ahead and do it.
Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah.
But then, of course, once you opened a box and saw there was another box, you would know that that's what I was doing. But you'd still have to open all of them because you would need the password.
Wait, the password for what?
Because I'll change the password on Minecraft or Roblox or whatever one we're doing. Look how awesome that is. It says Jurassic Park. I would change the password so that you had to open the boxes to get the password to be able to use it.